going to create some rain. Came to visit my favorite little trees. Whole string of weeping willows. Did a video with this particular setup just the other day with Daniel. The very second I step over here, it's starting to rain. Zzz. Huh. Did the same thing the last time I came here. Zzz. Here comes the rain. Now, I filmed it as I walked through here. And there's my car. I walked in. Everything was normal. Absolutely normal until I stepped into this area, and then it immediately, as soon as I started activating, the rain started. Now, if you notice, now that I'm done activating, now that I'm done buzzing and harmonizing, the rain has gone down to zilcho, nada, zero, zip. There's a couple of sprinkles here and there, but because I'm not accelerating the environment, it's not doing what it was. And now it's right back to what it was before. So take a look. Now it's right back to raining. Just artwork here, man. Now, there's no way you can buy that kind of luck. Things don't work that way. It's either I'm doing it or I'm not doing it. Either I'm kicking it in or I'm not. Now let's just make sure that what I'm saying is real. Take a look. See all that bouncing off the ground there? That's right. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And take a look, it slowed down. You can actually even hear it. Look, now almost all of that has slowed to a nothing. Just sprinkles. But I'm gonna go back here and we're just gonna replay the process. Try to get the, there we go. And so now the rain is kicking back down again. Now notice how that's sitting straight now. It's what I want when I want how I want it. See that? A simple move at a simple suggestion. So this was a build-up. Notice how it dropped right back down as soon as my hands went away. Okay? If I blow on it, it'll do the same thing. Now we're encroaching on 8 minutes, which is well beyond the normal attention span. Take a look. So this is the area that I started, okay, when I came over. Notice, now that I'm no longer buzzing, I'm no longer harmonizing or pushing, look. The rain is gone. I'm not pushing, I'm not trying anymore. But it wouldn't take much for me to try again. See this? As soon as I start even the process, the system will react. See that?